Threecastles Castle is a rectangular building, 3-story high, with a stair turret projecting from the northeast corner. Half of this castle, which was built in the later 14th or 15th centuries, has been destroyed. There is a stone-arched roof on the upper floor, as is common in small castles in the region around Dublin. The tower originally extended to the west, but all that remains on this side are the stubs of the walls and springing of another stone vault. Connecting doors between the two parts of the building are still visible. The history of the castle is unclear, but it is believed that due to the castle's name there were more than one castle in the vicinity. Some speculate that the 3 refers to the castle having 3 parts. Enjoy the rest of the video and thanks for watching.